Ladies and gentlemen, the hero of the moment, Todd Hunter.
There's one reason that the people of the state of Texas are protected now from bankruptcy, and that's because of this Windstorm insurance legislation that just passed. The lead negotiator, the man that made it happen, the individual that we would not have been successful without, is Todd Hunter. Todd was the man when it came to this Windstorm Insurance Association piece of legislation. Every day he moved it back into the forefront. Even when the wheels had come off, he put them back on, he cobbled a bill, he got it passed. I was proud to sign it, and it's a great day for Texas, not only for those Texans who don't live on the coast, but obviously those that live here and who are going to rely upon those insurance companies who now know that they can come to the state of Texas, make that insurance available, and make it affordable.